boys ready to get in them woods? That's right.
We cut 'em all, Jack. Yeah, we tote them shotguns. We cut 'em all, Jack. Country boys don't ever run. We cut 'em all, Jack. Yeah, if it flies, it dies. We cut 'em all, Jack. Country's how we live our lives. They call me Colt Ford, a redneck boy from down in the South. I thank the good Lord for giving me a chance, so I run my mouth. I represent country folks, hunt deer, hunt ducks, drive trucks and live it. Every day we work and pray, need some help, a redneck will give it. I rock that camo fashion, good old boys always on the move. We got the world asking why it is that we do what we do. We love the outdoors, God, family, faith and friends. This is redneck approved, it'll stay that way until the very end. We cut 'em all, Jack. Yeah, we tote them shotguns. We cut 'em all, Jack. Country boys don't ever run. We cut 'em all, Jack. Yeah, if it flies, it dies. We cut 'em all, Jack. Country's how we live our lives.
They call me Boss Hog, yeah, I do it duck style. You keep your yuppie car, son, I do it truck style. Ain't scared of getting dirty, love to get a little mud on it. Stay close with God and guns, yeah, that's just the way we want it. It's just a family thing, that's how we get it did. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. This is how country lives, like busting them pintails, wood ducks and mallards too. Redhead, canvasbacks and teals with the duck commander, y'all know the deal.
We cut 'em all, Jack. Yeah, we tote them shotguns. We cut 'em all, Jack. Country boys don't ever run. We cut 'em all, Jack. Yeah, if it flies, it dies. We cut 'em all, Jack. Country's how we live our lives. Yeah, we tote them shotguns. Country boys don't ever run. Yeah, if it flies, it dies. We cut 'em all, Jack. Country's how we live our lives.
I'm on the clock and I'm feeling like this job's just a 9 to 5 and my life away. It's like I'm back in school and I'm in the last class and I'm passing time until the bell rang. Having visions of summertime, but wait a minute now, it's just later tonight. 10 legs and tailgates all up in the moonlight. And by the way, let's payday. Live it up for the weekend. Pull it up at the time of your life. Take a shot for the regrets. Double up and it's bound to get buck wild. Hey ladies, let your head out. We know ain't nobody scared now. Hell now, just do your thing like a spring break. Wake and bake and we at it again. We live it up for the weekend. Backwoods looking like Panama City. A bunch of jacked up trucks and bikinis. Got a Yeti full of good ideas. Like I ain't worried about driving, I'ma stay right here and I'ma live it up for the weekend.